Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Google Chrome tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to enable the Google Lens shortcut here in Google Chrome. This will be up in your tools bar, so it gives you quick access to it. And this will allow you to search any image on your screen. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now the easiest way I find to get to the setting is to open up a brand new tab. So if you just hit the plus sign up here at the top, you can left click on that for new tab. This will give you the option in the very bottom right hand corner to customize Chrome. So if you select that, it'll give you some options here on the right hand side. And we're looking for the toolbar option here. You can go ahead and open that up. And this will give you some toggle switches where you can turn on different features. So if we're looking through here under tools and actions, you'll see one that says search this tab with Google Lens, and there's a little toggle switch here. And watch what happens when I toggle this. It'll give me a new option in my toolbar. So we'll turn that on. And now you can see I've got the search this tab with Google Lens option. So let's go ahead and try it out. We'll jump over to one of my websites here. So this is a photo I took on the Discovery Princess in Alaska. So let's see what it says. We'll just go ahead and hit that Google Lens option there in the top right hand corner. And we can hold down our left mouse button and drag it out and make a square or a rectangle over whatever we like. We'll just go ahead and do that and we'll let go and it's going to do the search for us. You can do AI mode, all exact matches or visual matches. And it says this image captures a scenic moment on the Sky Princess or the Discovery Princess. We were on the Discovery Princess sailing through a fjord, potentially in Alaska or Norway, and we were in Alaska. So did a pretty good job there. It brings up some visual matches. Actually, that's us right there. It's a great option if you'd like to search images here in Google Chrome. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.